After months of uploading images on Adobe Stock, today I'm finally withdrawing one of my biggest payout. The earnings you are seeing here is the real money and from AI generated stock content. Let me show you exactly how I withdraw it and what actually happens after you click the payout button. When I started uploading on Adobe Stock, I had one question. Will this money actually reach my bank account? Today, I'll answer that by showing you the complete withdrawal process, the payment method I use, how long it takes, and a few mistakes you should avoid. So here's my Adobe Stock. Here is my Adobe Stock Contributor dashboard. As you can see, my available balance is ready for withdrawal. Adobe lets you withdraw after reaching the minimum payout amount, and once you are eligible, the process is very straightforward, and the minimum payout is $25. Before clicking anything, make sure your payment details are verified. This is the must thing, you have to do it. Otherwise the payment will not be processed and it will stuck in between. Now I'm going to payment details. I'm selecting my there's the option payout option, and you have to select the prefer payout method, which you have to select in that account profile. You can select PayPal, Pioneer, whatever you are using. You can select any, and after confirming which payment method you are using, we'll move to next step. The step is, are you a US tax resident? So I'm not a US tax resident, so I'm clicking this option, and we'll check the amount, payment method, and payout mail ID. You have to cross check all of the details to get your amount in your bank account. So after confirming the amount, I simply click this transfer button, and the payment you have been seeing here is your payout request has been successfully submitted, and it will be processed within 7 to 10 business days. So that's it. Adobe process the request, and depending on your payment provider and country, the money usually arrives within a few business days, and mostly I have been experiencing that I got my amount in maximum 10 days, and sometimes it takes 7 days, but mostly it takes 10 days. So I'll also update you when the amount reaches my account. So the best part is this payment didn't come from just one images. As you can see, I have uploaded many images here. It's 4,698 images. It came from consistently uploading content over time. Some images earned a little. Let me show you. See, one images sometimes, and some images got nothing at all. So those small sales slowly turned into this payout. That's why consistency matters more than chasing one viral image. So if you are uploading to Adobe Stock, tell me in the comments how much is your current balance, or if you are just starting today. So I know you are joining this journey, and if you like this, I'll make another video exactly showing you how much Adobe deducted in fees and how much reached my bank account and the complete payment timeline. I'll show you the whole process of it in my next video. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.